Guys, I got this car wheel covers from EVBase, and let's open it. There's a card. Hello dear customers, thank you for supporting EVBase, and it's an official brand in US. So mine come with 4 covers, got 4 wheels, 4 covers. I'm gonna just take out one of them to show you guys how it looks like. Very nice. Yeah, it's covered with this, and also another piece of styrofoam. Nice. So this is black matte. So look at this. This is the clip which goes into the middle, and there are some clips here as well. All right, actually pretty good. Yeah, let's try one. So this is the original full tone 18-inch rim cover. So I'm going to remove this. Okay, so I'm going to open this. Just need to open it.
I don't think I can do it myself.
One by one.
It's not easy for a lady. Is it hard? Hey,
No,
looks
not
easy.
really.
Oh, this is my original
Cover.
Tesla cover. Oh, there's a T here also.
Yeah.
Oh, I realized that.
So this was from another supplier, and so what I did is it can't clip properly, so I have to use a cable tie to tie it. So I'm going to just remove this. So guys, this is from EVBase, and this is from another supplier, and look at that. EVBase clip is until here. This is just like that, and this is so short as well. Yeah, and look at the EVBase one, much more solid. So that's why this couldn't fit, and I gotta use cable tie. And let's try this on. So before you put it on, you guys put this strap on. This is like the soundproof, and make sure that over here the wind doesn't go in. Yeah, so let's put that on first. Yeah. Okay, so just press it on. Press on it, just make sure it's tightly stick on. Okay, so now's the time to put this on, and it's pretty simple. Just need to align this. See this hole here? This is where you put on the tire, where you pump the tire. Yeah, over there. So should be somewhere like this. Let's put it on. Let's put it on. Yeah. Oh gosh, it fits so well. See that? So this EVBase also come with this cap cover. Yeah, because this is the normal one, you can put it in the middle there if you want to. But I'm gonna use a different one, which I got it with the Tesla logo. Look at that, nice. Let's take it out. Nice packaging. So this is the one which is coming with the Tesla logo, and this is the normal one. So let's do a comparison between the one that you pay for and also a normal one. Yeah, this is slightly better in terms of quality, I feel so. Yeah, even the color looks a little bit different. So yeah, I'm going to put the one with Tesla on. Yeah, so as you guys can see, it's pretty simple. Yeah, just take out the sticker. It's just a stick on. Yeah, so over here I think I can just put it anywhere I want. Yeah, and done. Simple. Yeah, this is a perfect fit, and this is also a perfect fit. There's another one, so maybe this one I try to do it a bit differently. Put in this first. I think either way will do. Okay, so once I have this on, it's like a glove. So what do you think, guys? This looks much better than the original wheel cover, right? So definitely better than the one I got in pink. So there you go, guys. Thanks a lot for coming in to this and watch this. And if you guys are thinking of getting this from EVBase, go to their website. I'll put a link in the description, and as well as my referral code as well. There will be a discount code as well, so make sure use that to get discounts. If you use the referral code, I will get something as well. So I put all the 4 wheel covers, and I still some excess rubber strips. Yeah, all done for this side as well. Pretty neat, yeah.